Instead of merely observing the opulent yacht, we re-immersing ourselves in the true essence of ultra-private luxury travel. How the world's wealthiest navigate bespoke hidden experiences, from exclusive island buyouts to custom-tailored global expeditions, revealing the meticulous orchestration behind their unparalleled unseen journeys. Intriguing question. Imagine a vacation where the only people you see are your hand-picked staff, or an adventure meticulously crafted down to the very air you breathe. Forget the flashing lights of a super yacht. The true billionaires aren't just observing luxury, they're living it on an entirely different plane. What if I told you the world's most opulent travel experiences are so private, most people don't even know they exist? Bold statement: you think you know luxury travel. Think again. The lavish yachts you see are merely the tip of the iceberg for the ultra-wealthy. We're about to pull back the curtain on the unseen world of bespoke island buyouts, custom global expeditions, and journeys so meticulously planned they defy imagination. Prepare to discover the true meaning of unparalleled privacy and exclusivity. Curiosity-driven narrative. What if your next getaway wasn't just a destination, but an entire world designed exclusively for you? Forget crowded resorts or even bustling private islands. We're diving into the hidden realm where the world's elite orchestrate their most private, unparalleled adventures, from securing entire archipelagos to crafting expeditions that reshape geography. Discover the secret architecture behind truly unseen luxury, the velvet rope of ultra-luxury beyond the visible. Why the super-rich are moving past traditional symbols like yachts for true privacy, the unseeable asset, the allure of experiences so exclusive they're invisible to the public eye. The pursuit of genuine escape, trading crowded hotspots for meticulously crafted solitude. The architects of discretion meet the fixers, the bespoke agencies and private concierges, making the impossible possible, the art of the impossible. From private jet fleets on standby to pop-up Michelin dining in remote locations, the trusted network. How an inner circle of specialists ensures seamless, uncompromised experiences. Beyond the buyout, island dreams and hidden havens. The rise of the private universe. Entire island nations, remote estates, or even sections of national parks booked exclusively. The logistics of isolation, how power, water, and luxury amenities are conjured in the most secluded corners. From concept to reality, the meticulous planning required for a truly bespoke and private world, global expeditions, unseen footprints. The luxury of discovery, pioneering custom itineraries to untouched archaeological sites or unclimbed peaks. The bespoke glamping revolution, creating opulent wilderness camps with zero environmental impact. The global network, how private security, medical teams, and cultural liaisons are woven into every adventure. The future of unseen opulence, personalized ecosystems. The next frontier in luxury involves integrated private experiences spanning multiple continents. The rise of the experience broker. Individuals who curate lifelong memory portfolios rather than single trips. Sustainable exclusivity. How the ultra-wealthy are increasingly demanding private experiences that align with conservation and ethical practices.